Hello guys, back here with another video, and today I'm going to be filming this a little bit differently. I'm going to be trying over voice because I've never really tried it before and I just want to try it. Want to see how I went from this to this? Then stay tuned. First, I'm going to be priming with my favorite primer, the Milk Hydro Primer. I really just like how this primer grips to my face and makes everything tacky. It helps to make makeup stay on longer. So now I'm going to be using this primer from Farsali. It's the Skin Tune Blur Primer. I really just like this primer because it really does blur. It really is good to blur all those huge pores on my face, you know? So now I'm going into my eyebrows. For this look, I didn't want my eyebrows to be like very structured, so I took my Anastasia Dip Brow and I made hairs, but not very precise because I just really don't know how to do that yet. Now in this clip here, you can see that I am making my tail. I cut off the tails of my eyebrows just for this reason here, just so that I can have that room to freely structure my brow however I want to. And I wanted my eyebrows to be more up and kind of pointed in this look, so that's what I'm doing. And then in slight tapping motions, I am just filling the top of my eyebrow and then brush it through. Anyone that knows what this stuff is probably knows that it is very strong. It is a very strong styling glue, and personally I have seen it most used with wigs in getting it to stay on, you know. But today I'm going to be using it as a eyebrow gel, and I saw this hack somewhere, okay? Personally, to me, I love it. It's very good. I already know it's going to hold my eyebrows in place, of course, because it's a super strong glue. So I believe this glue is very cheap last time I checked. So if you guys are in the lookings for a eyebrow gel, I would suggest using this. So next I am just taking my favorite concealer right now, which is the Juvia's Place concealer. Later on I did end up regretting doing my eyebrows first. Usually when I'm doing my eyebrows like this, I will do my foundation and my concealer first, but I guess today I just really forgot about it. So now I'm just using my favorite base for my eyelids, which is the P. Louise base. I don't know what it is about this base. It just really holds on to colors way better than any base I've ever tried to, even concealer. Okay, so today I'm going to be using the James Charles palette, which I actually do use it a lot in most of my looks. First, I'm going to take the hot pink shade in the palette and start packing it on the inner corner of my lid, and I'm going to blend it out in circular motions. After the pink, I went in with the lighter purple in the palette, which I could have not used it in this case. It just seemed a little bit unnecessary of a color when I went in with the darker purple, but I did blend that into the pink. After that, I went in with the darkest purple in the palette, and I packed it on my outer corner and blended it out in circular motions. So now onto the Zebra eyeliner. I'm using Suva Beauty's Hydra Liner in the shade Space Panda, I believe it is. I used two different eyeliner brushes to do this eyeliner. One was the more angled shape eyeliner. I used that one just to overall start it and get the shape down. I went in with the Suva Beauty eyeliner brush just to go back over it, just to make it more pigmented and neat. So now I'm going to go in with another Hydra liner from Super Beauty, and I'm going to make the zebra print on my eyeliner. To make the zebra print, all I'm really doing is just making random lines, and I guess you can say half triangles, or I guess a triangle without a base. Today for foundation, I'm going to use the Milani foundation. This foundation, when I first got it, it smelled like alcohol to me, or like Hennessy to be exact. When I first used it, it did tingle my skin a bit, but I don't really get it anymore. I don't know if my skin like adjusted to it or something, but right now also that alcohol smell I did smell when I first got it, I don't really smell it anymore either. And I also blended that out with my Papa blender from Shop Missa or Shop Missa. Then I'm going to go in with the Juvia's Place concealer and use it to conceal everywhere I need to. Also to highlight. Now I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me powder and set my whole face. Then I'm going to take my butter bronzer by Physicians Formula just to bronze my whole face. Also to do a little bit of contouring. Next I'm going to take my Tarte Amazonian Clay blush just to add a little color to my face because I'm a blush fanatic. Next I'm going to take this Line Crime highlighting palette and I'm going to highlight my face. I love to reach for their palettes for the more colorful highlighters. Next I decided to go in with the eyeshadows and just put some eyeshadow under my eye. Next I will be going in with the roller lash just to put on my mascara. Then I'm popping on the lash. Finally, I'm going to use the same eyeliners I used on my eyes and use the same techniques for my lips. And here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.